Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can add your posts to their stories on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and now click privacy. Now here you will find story, click on it, and here as you see you can manage your who can add your posts to their stories, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.